Hi children, welcome to Chandrayanagutta Boys 1. This is Ramesh, TGT Social Studies. Now I am going to explain about main concepts in social studies. Important concepts. Important concepts in social studies. Now I am going to explain about fifth, that is directions. Without knowing directions, we cannot reach your destination. For example, you want to go to school. After stepping out from your school, you have to go right or left. Or these directions compulsory to reach any destination. Without these directions, we cannot reach your destination. Nowadays, we have new technology, new devices to find out these directions. One best example is Google Maps. By using this Google Maps, we can go any place. There are 4 directions, commonly known as cardinal directions. The directions also known as cardinal directions. 4. North, south, west, and 4th one is east. Once look at this picture. Four cardinal directions further divided into another 4 directions. Now total 8 cardinal points. They are north. We know that already. North is the top. Bottom is the south. It is east. West. We know these 4. Now between north and west, this is a northwest. Between north and east, northeast. Between south and west, southwest. Between south and east, southeast. Now one more important one is, you always write with this north or south. You start with N or S. See, for example, between north and west, northwest. Now next one is atlas. What do you mean by atlas? Atlas is a collection of maps Atlas is a collection of the maps. You saw already one wall maps, but these maps are smaller scale. We know already scale. Wall maps are bigger in size. These atlas maps are smaller in size. This is the atlas.